Hello and welcome to the Classical Conversations YouTube channel. Today I'm visiting Sharla in her homeschool room / home office where she teaches 11, almost 12-year-old, and you're visiting in 360, so look around as she gives us the tour.
Okay, well, this is not a typical homeschool room, I don't think. I like it because we were able to do 2 desks that faced each other, and we've got plenty of space to spread out projects, but we still have kind of her space, my space.
Right, it's probably distorted in your view, but it's back-to-back 3/4 desk with the file cabinet type module next to it.
And because it left that wall unreachable, really, we ended up putting the whiteboard on this wall, which we use to do our schedule here so we can kind of keep up with where we are. We might use it for other things, diagramming sentences, math problems, or whatever.
And you also have something that's disused nowadays. You have an encyclopedia, hardbound encyclopedia here.
We do. I like having something that's not technology to look up something for a research or report or whatever.
Because you're looking at a screen so much of your day anyway.
And so in here we both kind of have a bookshelf.
School books here. Seeing a lot of historical fiction. I had these.
Did you? Those were my husband's.
Meet Theodore Roosevelt.
So in this bookshelf we have books that are age appropriate grade level or below grade level that we can use. Some of them are books that were assigned for this year. The next shelf is Bibles and Bible reference books that we use. And then the bottom shelf is tall books, art drawing books, reference books, things like that.
Tall books.
Books.
Definitely a real category.
It is. It's the same thing. Sure. And then over here, I've got books that I'm reading, books that I want to read, extra reference books, and some of my teaching materials are in here. Honestly, one of my favorite things about this room is my closet. I can't give up the homeschool closet. So I just want to encourage people, if you don't have a homeschool room, you can have a homeschool closet and be okay. Just a place to organize the things that you need. And then if you have a closet and, a table that you can bring in and out, also fine. So you don't really have to have a homeschool dedicated room. It's just that this particular house had the space and we took advantage of it before it got eaten by something else. So that's how we school. And it's nice because when, younger kids obviously are kind of all over the place. They're not going to sit at a desk all day.
Right.
But as we're moving into things that an 11, almost 12-year-old going on into the teen years and up, she needs the space to be able to look up something or type up her paper, which is what she's doing right now, typing her paper and her presentation for this week. So as I'm becoming more hands-off in her day-to-day education, she's looking at her schedule. She knows what to do. I'm right here. I'm working on my things while she's working on her things, and she can ask me questions, but I'm not doing a lot of hands-on instruction.
Right. Now, one thing, talking about research and spreading things out on here, is this great book here. This is a hardbound notebook, from Staples or somewhere.
From Michael's,
Michael's. And you were telling me the concept of this book?
We do classical conversations, and this year, because we've done all 3 cycles of CC in the past, this is our 4th year. So as her assignment, instead of just reviewing this cycle's information, she's reviewing information for all 3 cycles. So she's writing down the facts, and she's drawing a picture, practicing the art skills that we learned in CC and just putting it all together. So we thought that would be a great way to review. It's a great keepsake for foundations and what you did in elementary school. And as we're moving forward, it's a good reference too.
Yeah. Review not just being an act of reading, but an act of artificing as well. Well, thank you for the tour, Sharla.
Sure, absolutely.
And if you would like to see more homeschool rooms presented in 360 or more parent interviews, check out these buttons, probably somewhere around here, or go to our website to learn more about homeschooling or to find a Classical Conversations community near you. God bless you and happy homeschooling.